Hey loves, mabuhay! It's your girl Melanie again. Have you ever thought of not putting makeup, especially your home, and you want to look naturally beautiful without a makeup? I think I can help you with that. Let's get started. First, you need to wash your face with your skincare routine. So I'm using this. I got it from Amazon and this is highly recommended. It's linked in my favorite in the description below. Check it out. It smells so good. Smells printy. And yeah, this sponge is super affordable. I think $2 if I'm not mistaken. You can use for exfoliating, for scrubbing, for everyday use. It's really, 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 really good. After this, make sure to include your neck. Wash it. Next, brush your teeth. Use your toothbrush to brush your lips. Then, make this a little bit of red, massage it, massage and tap it. Parang gisingin nyo lang yung dugo ng face nyo.
Love me, Matthew. No more secrets.
Labi ko right na. Diba? Ang bilis. For your lips. So, ayan na yung mukha ko. Look. Basta ako, punta na ako sa vanity ko. So, andito na ako sa vanity ko. Now, itatap ko pa rin ito. Tap, 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 tap. Tapos, pagkatapos ng itap ito, suklayan yung eyebrow. Ito, suklayan. Ngayon, kung medyo marumi yung dito nyo, trim it or pluck it para malinis tignan. Ganyan lang. Suklayin. Ayan. Tapos, so pagkatapos suklayin, babrush lang. Brush mo. Brush yung eyebrow. Tapos, use petroleum jelly again. So, petroleum jelly, it will help you grow your eyebrows thicker and your eyelashes. So, you can use it. For your eyebrows, just do this. Then, a little bit. Go ahead, eat ka. Smith over. Okay.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly.
See?
No more secrets.
Then, for your eyelashes, if you have a curling lashes like this, curl your lashes. Yan, pagkatapos ng i-curl, just put this petroleum. Nakakatik pa ng eyelashes to. Do it twice a day, morning and evening, before you sleep. I guarantee you it will work a lot. Yan. Parang naturally blush ang face ko. Sa lips ko. And then, face. Thank you for watching. I hope you like those tips. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye!